With every book, you will see two signs or one of the two signs, headphones and reading glasses. The reading glasses denote e-books and headphones are for an audiobook. Started listening?
I felt the sadness of the partition, and it's a genius like Manto who can write from mad people's point of view. How they must have felt displaced. You feel that the mad people will not know whether they are in Pakistan or whether they are in Hindustan, what's happening. They are in their own world. But the fact it affected them so much was saddening. About Toba Tek Singh, I think, it's an ironical story. It's a story which presents the irony of a no man's land, and that he does not belong either there or not there, and nobody knows what his gibberish conversation was all about. So the fact that he was having this conversation in his own head, only he knew about it. But you had to drag your own answers from him that, oh, this is what he must have meant. I did not see the funny side of it when I read it. I immediately, and that's how I've tried to record it, that you felt your heart must go out for him. He represents symbolically a lot of people. He represents genuinely people. He represents innocence. He represents confusion. It's like a child who's left in a railway platform, a crowded railway platform by his parents, and he do not know whether he should get into the train on that side or this side, or whether he should go anywhere else. So it's a lost story of a lost person, mentally and physically both. Once you know the soul of the story, then you don't have to be an actor. You just have to be able to picture or to feel the story. Once you feel the story, that's what I told the producer, that I don't want to act out much, because you are tempted I was once rejected from a radio station, and my first job was that of an announcer, and I messed it up and then they threw me out. But I did a lot of plays as a radio actor, and there were those typical radio plays they used to say, and हमारे एक producer थे, वो बोलते थे सांस का खेल दिखाओ, सांस का खेल. And I didn't understand that सांस का खेल क्या है. So because there is no visual, so after every word you have to say, फिर मैं वहाँ चला गया, और फिर तो वो basically that by the time आपको लगता था कि आपको अस्थमा ना हो जाए recording के बाद. And so once you capture the essence of the story, which was very easy because Manto is a brilliant writer, then you just need to convey that, and that's how I do my characters also in movies. I just need to find out what is the basic essence, soul of this character, and there are some pieces which I sort of acted it out, but that came spontaneously. That came while I was recording it. I had not planned. I just read it, and when I read it, even then I did not think that I will do those portions in that dramatic manner. But somehow when I was reading it and recording it, I was so moved by it, and I felt that, especially his last scream just before he is found lying down on the no man's land, that came completely out of blue. I'm sure, and she was completely shocked. I could feel my back feeling her shock, and the recordist also. Yeah, I think the most important thing in any form, in any art form, is sincerity. You cannot fake things, whether it is acting, whether it is recording a thing, because fakeness always gets pretension. People who pretend don't like themselves. I like myself, so I don't need to pretend. So it makes it easy, and there is no harm in doing it all over again. If I had come here as a veteran, please don't call me veteran ever. I'm a newcomer. If I had come here as a veteran, then it would have bothered me that everybody is looking at me now. I must do the recording as a veteran. So till I decided to do this podcast, I did not know much about it. Usually you're used to listening to the songs. Audio means listening to songs. But when I'm the kind of person who reads and forms his own characterizations of the characters that are there. So that's why it's very important for me to listen to somebody who is not acting out too much, because reading is a very easy process. You know, you're reading it, and in that, even the expressions, you're not reading and doing this. So that's the reason when you're listening, you should not be doing this. Phir kya hua? I think the best form of storytelling used to be by grandparents. My grandmother used to tell the same story every night. She just used to change the character's name depending on what is her mood today. एक राजा था, उसकी 3 बेटियां थी, राजा ने कभी छोटी बेटी को प्यार नहीं कहा किया, बड़े होकर बेटी ही राजा के बुढ़ापे का सहारा बनी, बेटियों के नाम कभी कमला, बिमला, नर्मला होते थे, और अगर मेरी दादी माँ का कोई व्रत होता तो उनके नाम हो जाते थे दुर्गा, लक्ष्मी, सरस्वती. So she never used to sort of say that. And then, but I have heard some, I like to hear Osho. Osho was easy. Acharya Rajneesh was easy. There are some people who are very, very easy. So I don't know, I have not actually heard any fiction in an audio form. But today, coming to this office, I am intrigued, and I may want to listen to. Maybe somebody can suggest me this is a good audio book that you can hear. My concentration span is very little. I'm very restless. So sometimes it becomes a little difficult. Because first of all, what he said made sense. One of his quotes is my all-time favorite. If you try, you risk failure. If you don't, you ensure it. So that's the formula I believe in and I work on in my life. That you try, you risk failure. If you don't, you ensure it. फिर उनकी किताबें on different philosophy. तो उसमें जो मुझे कभी-कभी समझ में नहीं होता है, तो I also get to refer to that. I don't like science fiction books and I don't read them. I like, in the first page I decide whether I want to read this book or not. So I think first 3 minutes will decide whether I want to listen to an audio book or not. Pretension is something which I can't stand. And वो audience आवाज़ में होते हैं ना, आवाज़ की दुनिया के दोस्तों, आवाज़ के जादूगर. And now I would want to tell you this. I can't deal with that. Okay. Somebody can have a squeaky voice, thin voice, but if there is a sincerity in it, I would listen to him or her.
So it's the sincerity.
A voice has nothing to do with storytelling, I think. I don't know. Maybe I'm saying things which are not supposed to be said in this office. Maybe voice is everything over here. But I personally think sincerity is everything when you're doing an audio thing. Hi, I'm Anupam Kher, and please listen to Toba Tek Singh in my own voice on Storytel.